Your typical motor oil does not wear out, it just gets dirty. So why dispose of it when it can be cleaned and reused? JJ's Waste and Recycling, in partnership with Southern Oil, deals with the heavy stuff from different industries throughout Australia. You can find hydraulic oil, engine oil and lubricant oils in everyday life, from cars to heavy machinery to household tools. Eventually, oil's going to get dirty and unusable, and that is what we call waste oil, which is one of the foundations of our business. The other foundation is our wide customer base. We look after everyone, from your local mum and dad businesses to the mechanic down the road and all the way through to heavy industry groups, mining companies, car dealerships and engineers. Waste oil needs to be collected, refined and redistributed. We make sure we get this done for our customers, partners and fundamentally the environment. But the important question is how we do it. The process starts by sending our trucks to customers around the country to collect their waste oil, where it is then transported to fully licensed aggregation facilities. The oil will then go through quality assurance testing to make sure it is the right specification before we transport it to a refining facility. This means we test for any contaminants and undertake any necessary pre-treatment, such as dewatering and filtration, before transporting to large-scale refineries. This is where the final products are made, by removing breakdown materials and other impurities which would otherwise degrade the usability and quality of the oil over time. At our partners' facilities, the Yarwun site in Queensland and the Wagga Wagga site in New South Wales, large-scale refineries are responsible for processing over 150 million litres of oil annually. They are the only facilities in the country accredited for use by major international oil companies for global applications, and they process over 30% of Australia's annual waste lube oil. When the process is finally complete, we redistribute the finished products back into the economy as re-refined lubricant base oils, ready to start their life cycle once again. The benefit of what we do is widespread. This process produces zero waste, which means our carbon footprint is minimal and far smaller than that of crude oil-derived products. It allows us to be a natural partner to anyone who cares about the environment. While half of all waste lube oil in Australia is burned, we commit to re-refining our collected oils, a process which sits at the top of the waste management hierarchy. JJ's Waste and Recycling, in partnership with Southern Oil, is the benchmark, homegrown environmental choice for Australia's waste oil producers, with no extra cost to other disposal options. Our vision is to continue spreading this awareness and applying our refinement processes around the country for a cleaner and healthier future.